this whole body of work started being built up together at the beginning of 2021.
Is-siġar għandhom l-istorja u l-karattru tagħhom u kienu s-suġġett ewlieni fl-istħajjil ta' bosta artisti u poeti. Catherine Cavallo hija artista oħra li tefgħet ħarsitha fuq is-siġar u li ppreżentathom mill-perspettiva tagħha f'gallarija tal-arti fl-Imqabba.
I had read this book, The Story, which is sort of what the inspiration behind all this comes from, I think. I started painting in a couple of gardens, our garden, a friend's garden, trees, because I was really into trees. At the same time, I started working on all these nudes. I've had these live sessions I've been doing them for like a year and a half or 2 years. And at the same time, I started messing around with my little abstracts. And somehow, this whole body grew together, so there's always a connection when that happens. As time passed, I looked for that connection, and I saw that it was, probably the book. I felt it was the book that was tying it all in. So I brought the theme together. I created some nudes to continue the tree theme through them. So that's mostly how it came about. I'm influenced by everything around me, actually. And colours very much so. Yes, the colours in nature, absolutely. I think I'll probably always be drawn to paint nature. No matter where else I go, I'll always do that too, because I love it. The oil paintings, I do mostly with the palette knife, all with the palette knife actually, especially when I need lots of texture, it's very useful. All the rest of them are done either in charcoal, brush and ink, or acrylic. And so it's a whole different approach, yes, to oil. Earlier this year, in April, I had a book launch, and it was meant to be a book accompanying my 2020 exhibition. Well, things got a bit delayed because of COVID, so it had to be turned into a different book. So it ended up being a retrospective.